guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an install and a styling video of this 24-inch HD lace 13x4 wig from Jessie'S Wig. So they did reach out to me and ask me to try their hair, and y'all, it is giving. Like, I am a sucker for a highlighted wig. So when I saw the highlighted wig, I was like, immediately yes. Immediately yes. I love a good highlighted wig. Like, look at how it's blending together. But we are going to install this wig together. So let's go ahead and get into this video. I hope you all enjoy it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and let's get into it. Hey guys, so here is the 24-inch 13x4 glueless, it says it's glueless, wig from Jessie's Hair. And y'all know I love a good highlighted wig that has one beat in it. Like, I love the one beat and then like a highlighted color instead of it being like 427 or something. So I am living for this wig. So I did bleach the knots on this wig, and that is all I did. So I did not pluck the hairline because I was looking at this wig and the hairline looks really good. Like, look at that. Like, it looks pretty good. I might play with it a little bit when it's actually on, but just looking at this wig, it was eating, you guys. So I was like, I'm not gonna pluck the hairline just yet. And it was already kind of in the middle part, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a middle part. So the only thing I had to do to this wig was bleach the knots. And it also, like I was saying, it says it's glueless. Let's actually look at the inside of this wig, you guys. I'm over here stabbing this thing so rough. But let's actually look at the inside of this wig. Okay, so it is a 13x4 and it has cones on the back. Oh, it has little Jessie's Wig inside of there. I feel like that's a nice touch because a lot of companies don't do that. It does have this adjustable strap so you can tighten it. So we'll see if this wig can actually be glueless or not. I don't have a problem like touching it up with a little lace spray or something, but I'm glad I won't have to use actual lace glue like Ghost Bun or something. But yeah, here's the strap. Let's put it on. So it does have a little extra lace back here that I am gonna cut. I don't know if I'm even gonna have to cut the lace on the front of this wig. I don't think so, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this excess lace off in the back because I don't really want that. But I can see by the way that this lace is tearing that it is HD lace, and I could already see because it was extremely thin. But like, hold on, I'm gonna show you all when I get this piece off. Okay. So you see how raggedy it is, like these lines over here. Oh wait, hold on, you all can't really see it. Let's see. Like, you see how the lace has these excess little strings on it. Not looking at the hair, but those strings, when you actually tear the lace, that means it's HD lace. Like, it's really good and thin, easy to work with. So let me put this wig on. Okay, let's hot comb this wig down a little bit to make it like just lay, and then y'all can get the full effect. But without any glue, this is how the wig is looking. So I don't have any baby hair either. But without anything, this is how the wig is looking. So I do think, because I am about to go out, I am gonna glue this wig down. But if you are just running to the store or something, you're doing something quick, I do think this wig, I do think you could definitely wear this wig glueless, but you know, I think I wanna glue it down. So I'm just gonna use a quick little lace spray instead of an actual glue. Oh, and another thing, you guys, I did not actually use lace tint on this wig, so that's another thing. But I am going to actually use a spray on this wig. So you can wear it glueless or you can put a spray on. So I'm just gonna do 3 quick layers. Like, this takes like 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. Okay, doing the second layer. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the wig down now. About where I want it. Blow dry it one more time. I'm just gonna touch up spots I might have missed. So in real time, installing this wig took 4 minutes and 10 seconds. So that is fast, but let's add some little baby hairs because I always like a nice little baby hair on the temples. That's just my little personal touch I like to do, and I think it's gonna make the wig really come together. I just love some highlights. Like, highlights just eat every time to me. I love them. But I am going to add a couple curls to this hair, you know, just give it a little flavor. And let me fix this part again. I'm just gonna add a few quick little curls to this hair with my curling wand and see what we get. Just something cutesy. Okay guys, so I finished my cute little wand curls. I might eventually end up cutting layers in this wig, but right now it is eating. I do love the way the curls fall, and like it's just not tangling at all. Like, it is eating. It is cute. It is cute, you guys. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.